Mabrika, and welcome to another episode of Let's Talk Taíno. I'm your host, Priscilla Colon, co-founder and creative here at Casareito, where our mission is to promote the Taíno language and culture. So I am working on another playlist for Arconuco. Check that out if you haven't already. And we talked a lot about water, and I wanted to bring you the video that I shot for that playlist today so that you could see all of the similarities that we have with many of our Native American cousins here in the North. Please enjoy.
So first off, water in Taíno is ni. So because I'm a language nerd, I wanted to share some really cool things that I found out about the word ni, water, and what other Native American tribes call it too, and it's super cool. The word for water in Taíno, ni, is also the same word that the Sioux people use. That is the Lakota, Dakota, and Nakota people in North America. And so during the Dakota pipeline protests, one of the famous sayings that they used was ni wiko ni, which is water is life. In the Ojibwe language, the word ni is also very similar. It's actually nibi. So you're going to see things like the original name of Mississippi was probably Misi Nibi, which means great water or river. So in Cree, also in Algonquin language, it's slightly different. It's nipi. And you can see that in certain city names. So here in New Hampshire, we have a city called Sunapee. And the original pronunciation was probably Sunipi, and it means Goose Lake. You can also see it in cities in Canada, such as Winnipeg. Winnipeg was probably Ween-nipi, and that means muddy water. So isn't that so cool that the word for water, ni, is so similar up here in the northern tribes as it is down in the Caribbean in our Taíno ancestors' language. So back to Taíno, the Taínos had a very specific symbol for water. This spiral that kind of never ends. And of course, it means sweet water, cosmic energy, and unendingness. And of course, this is very important because water is life. So in Taíno spirituality, Atabey or Atabeira is the mother of all humans, and it actually means mother of the waters. She is the personification of Yaya, which if you watch Let's Talk Taíno, you know means great spirit. She represents water, she represents fertility, and she also represents springtime. Now, Puerto Ricans, why do you think the kokí is so important? Is it just because it's our national symbol? Actually, let's take a really close look at one of the depictions of Atabey, which was found on a rock carving or a petroglyph. If you notice, her feet are frog-like. So there's an important reason for that. In Boriken, in Puerto Rico, the kokí frog would signal the beginning of spring, which is the season of the rains. And of course, you know that it's time to plant when the rain season starts. So the kokí is an important symbol of Atabey, our mother. So, you know, the next time you wear a little kokí t-shirt or you have a kokí hanging in your house, you're actually honoring Atabey, Atabeira, our mother. Some of these traditions, the original ideas have been lost throughout time, but we still carry them on. There's a reason why we honor the kokí. It's about planting, springtime, and honoring our original mother.
So I hope you enjoyed this video about water, all of the cool cultural facts that I didn't really know about until I started doing research, like the kokí and its importance to us Boricuas. So next time we're going to be learning a lot more words with the word part for water, ni. So as always, thank you again for watching. We hope that you subscribe. We hope that you continue learning Taíno with us. I know that we can bring back the Taíno language. Tai karaya guaitia nagu.